This video will show you how to get to the skills trainer for extra practice in big ideas. If you go up to your pancakes or your menu up in the top right, click on skills trainer. That will take you to all of the skills trainers for the program. If you click on chapter, it gives you what we are currently working on. So we just finished chapter 1. All of these are extra skills practice for chapter 1. It's a great review. Chapter 2, let's go by lesson. You can see there aren't any for 2.1. There are some for the others. Click on it. It will take you through the skills trainer for that chapter. You can check your answer down at the bottom. It'll give you your score. You can show video. You can practice again. You can return to the main page.